Hey guys, today let's learn how to add captions in your TikTok video. So if you guys want to go ahead and add some captions over on the TikTok video that you have created, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so once we're already here, basically you would notice that I'm currently editing this video. Once we're on this point, what we need to actually go ahead and access is tap on this option called captions. So we actually see this option right here, and once you tap on that, it'll automatically create some captions based on the audio of the video. And as you would notice, you could actually now have it right here. You could also tap on the edit button to specifically edit some parts if it made some mistakes. We do need to be aware that this is going to be AI technology and machine can make some mistakes sometimes. So go ahead and now place your captions wherever you'd like and tap on save once you're happy. And it's that easy guys to add some captions on your TikTok video. Just tap on next, and once you're ready to post it, just tap on post. That is all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.